JJRC X17 GPS 5G Wi-Fi FPV with 6K Escape HD camera 2-axis gimbal optical flow positioning brushless foldable RC drone quadcopter RTF. Description: Brand name, JJRC. Item No, X17. Color, orange, green, optional. Material, high toughness and explosion-proof ABS, electronic components. Motor, brushless motor. Quadcopter battery, 11.1 volts 2850 mAh Lipo, included. Battery weight, 170 grams. Flying time, about 30 minutes. Charging time, about 240 minutes. Remote control mode, handle, mobile phone control. Remote control battery, 3XAA battery, not included. Remote control distance, 800 to 1000 meters. Mobile phone holder size, max support 8.5 centimeters. Flying speed, 7 meters per second. FPV, 5G Wi-Fi. FPV range, 800 meters. Camera, 6K Escape HD. Picture resolution, 5700 x 4275. Video resolution, 2688 x 1512. Local video frame rate, 25 fps. Gimbal, 2-axis self-stabilization gimbal. Positioning system, GPS plus optical flow positioning. Quadcopter expand size, 43 by 43 by 6. 7 centimeters. Quadcopter folded size, 17 by 11.5 by 6. 7 centimeters. Flying weight, 500 grams. Propeller size, 9.5 centimeters. Package size, 34 by 22.5 by 10. 5 centimeters. Package weight, 1,250 grams. Features: with foldable and portable design, the drone is easy to carry. With 5G Wi-Fi function can be connected app, APK system to take pictures, video, real-time transmission through the phone camera image. 6K HD escape camera, support remote control of 90 degrees, 120 degrees super wide angle shooting range. Dual camera switching. Switch to the lens that at the bottom of the drone through the remote control, and switch the perspective of the aerial shot with one button to bring more perspective experience. Multifunction remote control with display can synchronize the status of quadcopter in real time. More date, more professional experience. HD digital image transmission system, strong anti-interference and 800 meters.